In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Over here, scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to vibratory ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on the switcher next to haptic feedback to enable or disable touch vibrations. If you want to enable them, click on the switcher and adjust intensivity by swiping left or right over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!